It does have an LED in it. It's really cool. It's got LED bulb in it, which I thought was cool. There's 6 speeds to this fan, so it's a DC motor, so very good fan. Doesn't really stutter. Like, yeah, wow. For a DC motor fan that's low, can't really see the stutter in this one, which is good that they're getting rid of the stutter. Very good fan, like always expected from a showroom. Speed 2. Yeah, it's a fan that was sold for. This fan was back in the day, was sold since 1991, the original Stealth. But then they switched to DC motors probably in 2013. I can't remember. That was the date when I was about to get the Novell. And yeah, from here. Yeah, speed 2, speed 3. Yeah, the original Stealth had flywheel, but then they converted it into a DC, and then they changed it to a spinner motor version. Yeah, which is a good thing, because for the spinner motor versions, Stealth is because you don't have to replace flywheel. That's one thing improved with the Stealth DC and the Stealth today. Speed 5. This is a very expensive fan, but very good quality too. If you find one for cheap, then I recommend you pick it up. That's 5. It does have 6 speeds. 2 and 6. This thing kicks out a ton of air. Kicks out just as much air as any stack motor fan would kick out. And I'm gonna show reverse too. Can't really tell if it stutters really. Now you can tell the stutter. It only does that when you reverse it. I always thought this were cool. I know it's a DC motor fan. Yeah. And yeah, it does. I'm showing it.